Hello, everybody, and welcome to the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate course. In this course, we're going to be covering everything you need to know in order to take and pass the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. So before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about myself. My name is Nicolas Moy. I am a cloud security engineer. I hold a bachelor's degree in cybersecurity, and I also have the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification. So throughout this course, we're going to be covering the things that you need to know, but I wanted to make sure to highlight that if you run over to my blog at nicolasmoy.com, there I post a lot of free study material that is in text. So sometimes if you're reading and you're listening to lectures, it's helpful in order to pass complicated exams like the Solutions Architect Associate. I know when I was studying for it, that's what I did. I read blog articles, I watched videos, I took several courses, and I took a lot of practice exams, and that's how I was able to pass it on my first attempt. So I figured, well, why don't I go ahead and write the content for you guys, make it super simple, break it down based on my experiences when I took and passed it, and that way it'll help you take and pass it without getting confused with things that you don't need to be studying for. Because to be honest, if you don't know this already, AWS offers a lot of services and you don't need to focus on all of them for the solutions architect. There's only a select few that you need to know a lot about, and we're going to be covering those in this course. The course objectives are going to be designed to help you follow the official AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Exam Guide, which is on AWS's website. We're only going to be focusing on the things you do need to know, which is what we just talked about, and we're going to cut out the stuff you don't. And by the end of this course, you'll have everything you need to know in order to become AWS certified. So the target audience for this course would be those who have some experience working in the cloud. Maybe you've worked with Google Cloud or Azure. Maybe you've dabbled in AWS environments before. You've messed around with some services, maybe built some redundancy for your backups in the cloud, stuff like that. Or if you've taken the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification exam and you've passed that. Usually how the tier structure works is you take the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, then you go over the Solutions Architect, and if you want, you can go for the Developer and the SysOps before moving on to the Professional. Some people go straight for the Professional, others, they like the specialties. We'll be covering a little bit more on the different types of certifications, but really this should be your very first associate certification if you deal with systems on a day-to-day basis, and maybe you're an IT consultant and you're looking for a cloud solution for maybe your organization or for your clients that you work with on a day-to-day basis. All right, that about wraps up this lecture. If you are ready, I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.